Hi, this is Sara Regester with Directions for Wellness, and I really have an amazing stress tip for you today that I've been talking about through all my stress mastery workshops. And that is that many people automatically believe that stress is harmful, stress is bad, stress is negative. But in truth, it's that as a culture, we have encoded the fight or flight response every time that we're triggered in stress. And the truth is that the more stress resilient response when we're triggered or when we're meeting adversity and challenge is to have the mindset, the tools, and the strategies to meet the challenge as our response. The difference is that when we go into an automatic default of fight or flight, it will release the cascade of stress hormones that gives us tunnel vision, and it really does limit our ability to creatively problem solve and successfully navigate through our challenge to get to the other side of it. On the other hand, when we know how to use strategies and tools based in mindfulness and different ways to support yourself when you feel that stress trigger, that you can successfully meet the challenge with an attitude of, I can deal with this, I'm going to creatively problem solve, I'm going to stay present in the moment, and I'm going to be successful as I move through this so that I can learn and grow and actually evolve as a person into better leadership, into stronger relationships, into more success in our business, like straight across the board. When we have conditioned and trained how to meet stress with a challenge response, we're going to get better results. Now, as far as the other response of the fight or flight, we do need that response if it's truly a life-threatening situation. If I'm avoiding a car accident or I'm in a situation where my physical well-being is threatened, I definitely want that fight or flight mode to kick in so that I can react quickly and take action. But on the day-to-day, when I'm in my office and things are not going well, or someone says something or does something that triggers me, I definitely do not need survival adaptability in that moment. I need a meet the challenge attitude so that I can actually meet whatever that is and deal with it in a very productive, proactive way so that I can respond without reactivity. So if this sounds interesting to you, I offer workshops that are all about stress mastery, and I'm happy to schedule one, that you can attend. But also for women in leadership, I'm offering an amazing workshop called Badass Feminine Leadership on Friday, November 9th at the Better Business Bureau here in Phoenix. It's from 9 until 3:30, and if you click on the link, you will absolutely be taken to the page that tells you the details of this amazing day where we're all about women in leadership, how to be authentic, confident, and to really step into those bigger spaces in a way that you can successfully meet challenge and adversity and not have to go into the negative fight or flight that will really limit your ability to engage. So I'm Sara Regester with Directions for Wellness. Check out my great workshop, Badass Feminine Leadership, on November 9th. And please join us there so you can come and have that experience and a new perspective about how to be masterful when you're triggered in stress.